Refrigerator stores don't want you to know that. Easy to use mix without damaging your refrigerator. In a container, I will add half a cup of water. Then we will also use a tablespoon of baking soda. The alkaline effect brought by the use of baking soda is what makes this tip so efficient. Now we just mix it up really well. Then we will also use 3 tablespoons of detergent. Due to its degreasing effect, the detergent becomes one of the main items for this cleaning, mainly for cleaning the places we touch with our hands and for removing fat from food. Let's mix it up again. Now to finish, we will also use half a cup of vinegar, mainly for its effect in contact with baking soda. Once added, we must mix one last time until completely dilute all ingredients. For use, we will use a spray bottle, thus facilitating the application and also the product yield. Just this amount we have prepared is enough for the application for more than once, and this cleaning will bring much more hygiene to your food. With this, we will have the tip ready. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. And today's hug goes to Franca Romano, from Vaughan, Canada. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. For the use of our mixture, we can apply the product directly to the part of the refrigerator that is required for cleaning. Especially in rubbers and small spaces are places that accumulate a lot of grease and dirt, and being in the refrigerator we risk damaging food. It is also possible to use a toothbrush to remove dirt from small spaces. This mixture also serves for internal cleaning of your refrigerator. The cleaning of the refrigerator is essential, because in the small spaces can get several bacteria accumulated and thus affecting the food, causing infections that can be harmful to us. Tell me what you got by using this mixture in your home. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.